The National Weather Service in Houston has issued a hurricane warning for all of Houston, Galveston and East Coastal Texas, effective until further notice. At 4:50 a.m. Central Standard Time, a hurricane is sweeping through Houston. It have also hit a nuclear power plant in Conroe, Texas. There is a 50% chance for a meltdown. Evacuate if you are in a 10-mile radius. If you hear a radius, you need to evacuate now. The nuclear power plant called Bonking was hit by hurricane. The second cooling station was malfunctioning, causing a meltdown. If you are in a 60-mile radius, you need to evacuate. Bring food, water, flashlight, first aid kit, battery power or hand crack radio, and clothing. Do not pick up children from schools, hospitals or nursing home, as they have their own evacuation procedure and have plans for reunification. The Bonking nuclear power plant will explode in 30 minutes. Speed limits has changed to 160 miles an hour to evacuate on time. Houston will be affected as well.